Hello everyone, welcome back to the plot. We've had a busy afternoon here up at the plot. It's a nice day today in Exeter, but I've been round, done a few odd jobs, but the main reason for being here today is to go round and start collecting all the veg we've grown. It's remarkable, you know, once you put it all together, how much you can grow in this, you know, the small space. But let me show you what I've picked today that we'll be eating during the week. Right, first things first, we've got some lovely carrots, some ugly carrots and some stumpy carrots. My rabbits, Angus and Nelly, they will get the rabbit tops. We've got a nice big bag of peas. Some of them have started to dry out, but that's okay. The ones that are dried out, I'll use them for seed next year. Got some red veined sorrel. I've got purple beans. I've got more purple beans than you can shake a stick at, so they'll be good. We'll be having some of them tonight. We're having Sichuan dry fried green beans. I'll stick with mushrooms and pork. Yeah, that's what it is. Sichuan dry fried green beans with mushrooms and pork. You can omit the pork if you're vegetarian, but I'll stick the recipe and a link to the recipe in the description, and you can have a look. So if you get more beans than what you know what to do with, there's more things you can do than just steam them or boil them. Got some a little bag of green gages, so this is quite good. I've got one more pepper. I think this is Anaheim. So I did get a couple during the week, so they're at home. Got some cylindria beetroot, bag of strawberries, every week a bag of strawberries, and I've got 2 lettuce. I think this is Marvel of 4 Seasons, and this is a romaine type lettuce. So yeah, we've got loads and loads of things. So that's all the stuff I've collected from my plot today, but Delilah's been up here as well, and she has got a lovely little orange golden, is it golden beetroot? Which is great because it hasn't been touched by the slugs. All mine's getting nibbled a little bit by the slugs. A couple of little cucumbers. She's got a dwarf dwarf French bean plant, so she's got her own beans, and she's got a couple of, these look like cooking apples. I think they're windfalls that she's managed to get. So yeah, we've all had a good day up here in the allotment, so that's it. Okay, that's it. That's me for today. I mean, I have been busy all day, but I just thought I'd show you all the veg that we picked up today. So now's the time. I'm going to pack everything up, go home, and I'll prep all these beans and wash everything and prep everything and start cooking tonight's dinner. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.